Are you interested in boosting the impact of your video marketing? Meet VidPenguin2, a video ranking software that helps you put your videos at the top of Google SERPs. Let us see what great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. VidPenguin2 was developed expressly to enhance your video SEOs and to assist you in ranking higher in the search results provided by Google. If you use VidPenguin2, you can increase the ranking of your videos on several search engines such as Bing, Google, Yahoo, and others. You can create video pings with all the YouTube-approved link variants using VidPenguin2's capabilities. The information is then converted into RSS feeds, blog entries, video embeds, and social syndication for use in additional software applications such as Zapier, WordPress, Twitter, Blogger, Tumblr, Instagram, and many more. You can also get an immediate head start on your video SEO by using VidPenguin2. It doesn't matter if you're starting in video marketing or a seasoned pro. The features it offers, which are both simple and effective, will help your content be seen more quickly across the various search engine results pages. In addition, you can begin maximizing the visibility of your videos by drawing on the power of video search engine optimization and using YouTube's link variations to expand your audience's reach. VidPenguin2 now comes equipped with an image pinger that enables users to generate one-of-a-kind link variations for their YouTube thumbnails and ping those variations to search engines with a single button. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Boost the impact of your videos using VidPenguin2. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.